Some rain in the city of Holmes Beach can easily turn into heavy flooding on the roadways, but the city staff is developing a system to keep large amounts of water off the road. Our Chip Reed has a closer look.
This residential road in Holmes Beach would be covered in water on a rainy day if it wasn't for a water infiltration system installed by the city.
The idea behind the infiltration trench is to provide a temporary storage capacity for the stormwater, to gain some time in order to allow for the water to percolate through the different layers, preferably the sand, native sand, and eventually to direct the water to the bay.
We're on a barrier island. It's something our engineer highly recommended, and it's a way to get the water out of the streets, and it's all for public safety and keeping the homes high and dry.
The system features what's called a WaStop valve that prevents backflow and flooding in the pipes.
The water exits the city into the canals and waterways. A WaStop valve is installed on the outflow pipes, so it allows the water to leave, but it doesn't allow the salt water to come back on high tide.
The city is exploring adding more infiltration systems and other options to cut back on flooding.
We are looking into including some type of vegetation in order to provide a little bit more green space in the city. So currently we would like to explore what type of vegetation can work under these specific circumstances of soil, stone, and water.
Reporting in Holmes Beach, Chip Reed, SNN, Suncoast News Network.